Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So we're back for another collab video with Melody, and we have been doing a whole series of black, white, and one other color. So for this video, we're doing an apple green, basically. And I thought I would try essentially doing a Dutch pour without a hairdryer though. That's what we're gonna go for. All of these paints that I'm using are Arteza acrylic paints mixed with floetrol and water. So I'm going to go ahead and start by covering the canvas with some white, and I'm just going to put a pretty thin layer on here. I'm going to spread this around. All right, there we go. So that will level out as it dries. So I'm going to just basically puddle these colors. I do not want a lot of black, and the black with the white will probably make some gray, but I'm going to put just a little bit. This is Mars Black, Arteza. And make sure that you go check out Melody's awesome video as part of this collab, and make sure you're subscribed to her channel. We've done a ton of different colors on this collab. We've done black, white, and gold, black, white, and magenta, black, white, and teal, black, white, and red. So I think that is plenty of paint. Now mind you, there's also no silicone or anything in here. So I'm going to use a straw to blow this around, and let's see what pretty things we're able to hopefully create with this. Great, there we go. So I'm actually super happy with how this came out. I actually think it's quite perfect. Let's go ahead and let this sit here for a little while, and then we'll do a close-up, and then as with all of these collab videos, we'll wait for it to fully dry and come back and take a look at it then as well. All right, we're back. Loving this color combination. I love these wispies over here. This is a great green. I think my background white was actually a little too thin. I should have spread it out a little bit less, but it still worked out just beautifully. So we'll come back when this is completely dry. All right, here is our painting completely dry. I am totally in love with how it came out. And I actually think this would make a whole beautiful series too. And of course, this is just black, white, and green. You know, using any colors you want. So while a hairdryer does make things fast, you can definitely do it without one and make something beautiful. Now go check out Melody's video. Link will be in the description, and make sure you show her some love, subscribe to her channel. I'll see y'all next time.